Fast markets require fast decisions, but not emotional ones. Today, I'm applying a clean 1-minute strategy using 2 EMA lines and RSI. Simple indicators, clear confirmation, disciplined execution. Let's see how this setup performs. First, I'm adding 2 EMA lines to the chart. These EMAs will help me define the short-term trend direction. Next, I'm adding RSI to measure momentum and avoid weak entries. I'm setting the first EMA to period 9. Here, instead of SMA, I'm selecting EMA because EMA reacts faster to price movement and is better for short-term trading. I'm changing the color to make it clearly visible on the chart. I'm adding another moving average. This time, I'm setting the period to 21. Again, selecting EMA. This will act as my slower trend reference. I'll adjust the color so both EMAs are clearly distinguishable, and then save the setup. Now I'm adjusting RSI, period set to 14, with 70 as overbought and 30 as oversold. This will help confirm momentum before entry. And the time frame setting can be set by looking at the screen. This is where I'm placing the buy entry. Price is pushing above the fast EMA, and the structure is starting to shift bullish. The faster EMA is curving upward, and price is attempting to reclaim short-term momentum. RSI is moving higher, supporting the bullish move. So far, no immediate rejection. This entry is slightly aggressive. Ideally, I prefer stronger alignment. Price is holding above the 9 EMA. That's important. As long as we maintain this structure, buyers remain in control. This is the pressure phase of the trade. We need continuation here. A weak candle could shift momentum. Momentum still looks stable. This wasn't a random entry. It was based on structure and confirmation. I am taking a buy entry here. Price has crossed above the fast EMA, and momentum is turning bullish. See this green candle? It shows buyers are entering the market. The blue EMA, 9, is moving upward, which indicates short-term strength. Price is staying above the fast EMA. This is important. As long as price does not fall below this line, the buy trade remains valid. Now I am watching for continuation. The candles are forming higher highs, which confirms bullish momentum. If you want to follow my analysis in real time, I share free market updates inside my Telegram community. It's not random signals. I explain the logic behind every entry. This is why confirmation matters. Trend direction plus EMA support plus RSI strength gave us a clean entry. We can see consecutive green candles forming. That shows buyers are stepping in. The 9 EMA is curving upward, which supports short-term strength. Price is now trying to stay above both EMAs. This is important. If price holds above these lines, the buy trade remains strong. RSI is also moving upward, so there is no immediate selling pressure. A small pullback is normal. I'm only watching if price breaks below EMA support. Clean setup, trend shift, EMA support, and RSI confirmation gave us a controlled entry. I am taking a buy entry here. The price has moved above the small blue line, which shows short-term strength. See this big green candle? This tells us buyers are strong right now. Also, the blue line is crossing above the white line, which is a simple sign of upward momentum. Now I only need price to stay above these two lines. If price stays above them, buyers are still in control. More green candles are forming. That means the market is continuing in the same direction. RSI is also moving upward, so there is no strong selling pressure. Final seconds now. Price is clearly above the entry level, so this looks like a strong continuation. I took a sell entry here because price was moving below the EMA lines and momentum looked weak. But notice something important. The market was not strongly trending. It was moving sideways. That means momentum was not very clear. After entry, buyers suddenly stepped in and formed a strong green candle that broke the short-term structure. So this trade did not work. And this is completely normal. Not every setup will win. Even good strategies have losing trades. The lesson here is simple. If the market is sideways, entries become risky. So next time, I will wait for clearer momentum. I am taking a buy entry here. Price has moved above the blue EMA line, and momentum is starting to turn upward. We can see strong green candles forming. That shows buyers are entering the market. Also, the blue EMA is moving upward and trying to cross above the white EMA. Now I want price to stay above these EMA lines. If price stays above them, the buy trade remains strong. Momentum is building slowly. RSI is also moving upward, which supports bullish strength. Discipline beats emotion. Patience beats impulse. And consistency beats luck. That's the mindset of a trader. If you're serious about improving your trading skills, join the free Telegram group and start learning properly. This is just the beginning. See you in the next trade.